Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Nike Elite Pro backpack on the market. If you're looking for a backpack that combines style, durability, and functionality, this Nike Hoops Elite Pro backpack might just be what you need. Right off the bat, the design is sleek and modern, featuring a solid black color with metallic cool gray accents that give it a clean, professional look. It's crafted primarily from durable polyester and nylon materials, ensuring that it can withstand everyday wear and tear. Whether you're heading to practice, school, or just running errands, this backpack is built to last. When it comes to storage, the Nike Elite Pro backpack truly shines. It offers 8 compartments in total, including 3 zippered pockets that provide ample room to organize everything from your basketball gear to school supplies or daily essentials. The main compartment is spacious enough to hold sneakers and uniforms comfortably, making it ideal for athletes. There's even a utility pocket for smaller items, keeping your things neatly separated and easy to find. The backpack's dimensions are practical too, measuring about 7.8 by 11.7 by 17.7 inches, giving it a compact yet roomy profile. Despite its capacity, it weighs just around 12 ounces, which means it won't weigh you down, even when fully packed. The adjustable straps offer a comfortable fit, allowing you to customize the backpack to your body size and shape, which is great for long-term wear. Another key feature is its soft shell construction. This means the backpack maintains a flexible structure while still protecting your belongings. Whether it's a basketball or a laptop, the backpack can handle it with ease. The zipper closures are sturdy and smooth, ensuring that your items stay secure and accessible when you need them. The Nike Hoops Elite Pro backpack is more than just a sports bag. It's a versatile companion that suits a variety of lifestyles. Its solid construction, combined with a sporty yet stylish look, makes it a popular choice for young boys and athletes who want something reliable and cool. Plus, the brand's reputation for quality adds an extra layer of confidence in your purchase. In summary, this backpack delivers on all fronts. It's durable, roomy, and designed with the athlete in mind. It has enough compartments to keep you organized, a comfortable fit for daily use, and a design that looks great whether you're on the court or off. If you're in the market for a backpack that balances function and fashion, the Nike Hoops Elite Pro backpack is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.